Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This morning I decided to have a look on Facebook and see what the rest of the world out there was doing, because it's quite often that I don't get to see anybody for several days at a time, and Facebook wasn't there. Yes folks, 7 o'clock this morning New Zealand time, which is around midnight USA time, Facebook went offline. We haven't been told why, we've just been told that it's required maintenance. Now, when YouTube are doing maintenance, when Google are doing maintenance, when Facebook are doing maintenance, they don't shut down the entire feed. They close off segments at a time. Certain features might be unavailable. The apps may not be available in certain regions, but this is worldwide. I've been checking on I've been checking out on Downsite and find that both Facebook and Instagram have suffered. It's a worldwide outage. The company has issued a statement that virtually tells us nothing. It just says that the site is down for required maintenance. Yeah, of course, they're trying to fix it. So, I'm sure that the rumour mill will be starting, as indeed it has already. I've seen stories where people are saying that it's a cyber attack. It could be a denial of service. There's nothing from Facebook yet to say that this isn't the case. It could be an attack from a foreign government or a foreign organisation, or indeed a domestic organisation that has some beef with the people of the US. I'll be making further inquiries throughout the day, and I will bring you up to date with how this is affecting people. One interesting little snippet that I uncovered during my research this morning was that the New Zealand police have asked people not to contact them regarding this because, hey, we're the New Zealand police, they're an American organisation, we can't do anything about this. Now, to make matters worse, I've got no coffee in the house. So folks, you heard it here first. You've probably already found out yourself that it's not there, but you haven't had a chance to find out why it's not there. Let people know. I'll keep an eye on things, and when it comes back online, we'll wait and see what the excuses were.
Down Detector is a website that you can go to that will give you the status of any of the major websites. People are encouraged to call in and make reports. Thousands of reports have come in from all around the world, and although the reports are a little patchy, it does seem that it's going down virtually everywhere, but there may still be pockets where it's visible. Now, this isn't just a social network. Over the years since Facebook started, a lot of people have been using their Facebook login to log in to other kinds of services. This means that for a lot of people, those services are going to be unavailable, which could throw lives into a little bit of 21st century turmoil. Heaven knows, people might even have to go outside and talk to one another if this doesn't sort itself out soon. I had to have a little chuckle to myself when I saw this. This is a news story online from a service that gathers news in New Zealand from all around the place, and RNZ Radio New Zealand published an interview with a tech specialist who has been outlining the woes and pitfalls that will happen to people when this kind of thing happens. It seems that life is all but stopped for a large segment of New Zealand society who are unable to access their Facebook this morning. It is affecting businesses, it is affecting lifestyles, and although this article's quite tongue-in-cheek, it does make you realise just how tied to the cyber lifestyle we all are, and how we depend on online connections. Now, I realise that a lot of you people in the States will be waking up to this about now. At the point that I'm putting this video together, I'll edit it as fast as possible and get it posted. It's now 1 PM New Zealand time, so I imagine a lot of you people in the States will be just getting up now and heading off to work. So this is how my Facebook is appearing to me here in New Zealand now, this afternoon. It's been like this all morning. I do see that my notifications are mounting up, so the notification flag at the top is working. Messenger I'm able to access. I can get in there and I can chat to anybody I need to, but the notifications keep adding up, but I've no idea what those notifications are. So off to work, you guys. Get on with your lives, and hopefully when you come home from work this afternoon, everything will be sorted, Zuckerberg will be back in his chair, and normal life can resume.